top of the monkey. What's going on, everybody? It's good. Hopefully you're having a great morning, evening, nighttime, afternoon, whenever time y'all watching this, man. Thank you, Lord, for waking us up today so that we continue striving towards all our goals and all our dreams. Amen. Amen. As always, let's get into it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yesterday's video on trading gold for the first time in a while. Back at it. We have NQ here. Now we have multiple choice, you know what I'm saying? Like, now out of all of them, I go ahead and say, okay, who has the bigger 930 gap? Because that's what I look for. Extended range, bigger range, so that we are able to have, room to move, right? We don't want to be too clustered in a range that, it's going to be not moving like we want it to, because like I said, we don't control the market, but we do like to see certain things, right? So, like, let's get into the video. All right, 1 second. I want to check the forex factory. All right, so we do have a USD news. We have some impact news. Okay, nothing crazy. I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick. All right, so this is how you are able to see the 930 gap. Go all the way down to your bottom right side. Click on it and hit regular trading hours. Usually we have it in electronic trading hours. So we have micro. You have NQ right here. You guys can see discount. Yes, discount. Gold discount. So both big gap and discount. So you gotta very pay mind to that as well. Let's see, because I guess I'm learning, and I know so far what I learned is that if NQxES is going up, gold is coming down. So like I said, we're gonna have extra confirmation, not making it like not oversimplifying things, but just having that extra confirmation, All right, so let's get into it. Go ahead and check NQ. Whatever it wants to load. Killing down on coffee today. I made a little small portion, like crazy. That's the usual. So that's good. Okay. So we still inside of this daily Sibian volume imbalance for both, actually. You guys can see. Slowly we go build into it. Slowly, whatever it wants to. You guys can see yes here. So I'm gonna get overcomplicated, but so por qué moviendo slow? Give me 1 second, y'all. Trying to figure this thing out. See if cleaning up my computer a little bit helps. Just cleaning it up in 1 second. Having a quick cleanup. That was a quick one. Alright, so we do have, like I said, I'll show you both of them. Let me see how we look on the hourly. Like I said, today is just the day she wants to act like that. She back in premium, so if we are gonna go high on gold and then low after being in discount, I mean premium for NQ, then I'm definitely targeting these areas down here. Yeah, my shit's acting crazy today. See what type of slowness. I mean, it's gonna get better though. Okay, so it's just this one because this one is acting quick. Alright, there we go. Let me go ahead and log in. There's some credentials, but you guys can't see that. I was like, why am I acting so slow? Well, we got it to work now. 1 second. Credential. No. There she is. Much better. I'm like, why are they taking so long to load up? Okay, there she goes. I'm gonna mark up something real quick, which is this. We just rejected off this 1 hour inversion. Thank you. It is the high. I mean the low. 33. 33 flat. 56.50. Perfect. I'm gonna have that right there. I'm on it with the same, even though it's like right there in cluster up. $36.50. Okay, so this is like an hourly here. I have mark up just in case. Okay. But if we do continue going higher, then we'll be reaching this area here of interest that we had basically mentioned into the week. There is a small one in here, just like NQ right here. I'm gonna mark that up. 26.25. High 31.50. 31. Oops, hold on. We gotta do one more thing. Let's flip this for now. Balling in the middle. That's what she's doing right now. So for gold, we in the middle of two daily PDRAs, a volume imbalance and a buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance, a BC, a nice BC. We have, let's see, we have this area in here that we are coming on, but I'll mark it real quick so you guys can see what I'm seeing. But I do see that almost everything is filled. Let's see that right now. I just want to mark this so you guys can see. I don't really see much in here to be filled, but I could be wrong. Let's see. 12 for 97.3. Alright, so if we go, let's see what we got. At the lowest, right here, nothing, but we do have something here. You do have something else in here too, like really small, like a 5 minute, just in case if she does want to go ahead and jump from there. So check something. If that gets taken out, then we could dive a little lower, maybe dive for these. Anything going higher? I do. This here. That's exactly what I do see. So the same thing, basically the same markup as yesterday, bro. Oh no, wait. That's the 15. I'm bugging. That's the 15, which is the same thing, but I don't want to be having things for the 15 an hour. If I'm gonna use the 15, I'm gonna use the 15. I'm gonna use the hour. I'm gonna use the hour. All right, so we are basically back in here. So knowing that we did gap into discount for both, for all three, excuse me, NQxES and gold, we gotta really pay attention. We better have some news too in like 5 minutes or 4 minutes. If gold is willing to move, if she's gonna move a little lower, I need her to like, I need her to fill this up. I need her to trade to and through these this hour buy sign efficiency here. Not mess around in between. If she's gonna go higher, I need to see her respect it and respect this too. Man, I wouldn't mind if she goes down to that 5 minute we mentioned, just as long as she being respetada, respectable. Cause we do have some nice area in here, but we have a 5 minute too. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of things going on. Since we gotta stretch out to go into here, I want to mark up this 5 because the 5 that we currently see in the present day, you don't really gotta move too much. So the less we gotta go back and forth, the better. 304, 7, 8. And then we're gonna put this colored aqua blue. There we go. Alright, so that's much better. Now we know that that's the last, from that little range, from this low here to that high up there, just the last inefficiency, you know, that we have. So we do have another one in here. You know what? Why not? Paying attention to everything right now. Well, not everything, but being patient. Alright, so this time we do have a little bit of news coming in. The nice candle I showed in the middle. To see you're respecting. So respecting this hourly here and pushing higher right now. Yeah, I'm not gone into this 5 minute yet in hourly. They already tapped into the one second. Moving nicely for NQ, okay. Nicely candle. Back at it into the 1 hour in here. That's some nice highs up here. If possible. In case we're gonna put this high here, and if it goes any higher, then we move it. It'll be the first high. Looking at this 5 minute tool in here, look at that, right there. That get taken out, you already know, you're already close to this, so we're gonna go into that. I wanna know that he heard. I'll wait a little bit. Usually when there's news, high impact news, I like to wait at least like 5 to 10 minutes so the spread could cool down a little bit, rather than trying to rush into a trade. Well, not rush, but just press buttons. Currently, we're about to be trading above the this area. Oh no. Okay, somebody was calling. I'm like, no, not right now. Okay. All right, so we are moving higher right now into getting into that buy side. Nice expansion. I do want to mark it up here on ES, so I want to just leave it not a mark. $42.50 high, 37. It's a 5 minute. That should go right there. Moving nicely. Gotta get close to it. Yeah, it just put hard to move down a little slow. I mean, to move down lower. Right now, currently, we are deep in discount and for NQ and deep in premium for ES and NQ. So they're moving though. Today they're moving nicely. do have a 5-minute in here. That, who knows, maybe you should continue or even close above it. Who knows? Let's see how she wants to play it. 64. 77.25. 36.50. What am I talking about? Almost, I mean, they jabbed above too, the daily. But I got like some 40 seconds into this candle. Let's see how we react from it. Excuse me. Those stretches be hitting, bro. I don't know about y'all. They be hitting. Just waiting right now to see how we close above this 5 minute. Alright, so see, there became inverted. So maybe I'll have some more room to push higher. Okay. Take these highs, who knows, and then have a retracement back into this area. Let me see how much is the calculation. Oops. These guys real quick. We go ahead and put like a 50 stop loss. Why is it not showing for me? ¿Por qué no? What pretty sure I'm bugging. There you go. That'll be 250. If I put 5, that's 125. Okay. Listen. Risk management is important. That's why I'm not gonna be putting like 10 like that crazy like I usually be. So we're pushing higher now on gold. A little deeper right there. Back at, wow, look at that. So we're pushing back in a little deeper into the 5 minute that turned inverted for NQxES. Did push a little bit higher. We did miss this 5 minute in here. Pretty sure we did run into another 5 that we still respecting. I'm gonna just put a line real quick. Yeah. Let's see my pipes. See if we can get her. If she wants to go ahead and rally up and move up a little bit. Who knows? Patient pays, so we'll be patient. That's one of my things that I want to be perfect at. Is it this? I think it is this. I'm gonna try. I don't really want to look at the profit anyways. Alright, so we still respecting that. Alright, what I'm gonna do is too many back and forth. That's the only thing that be bothering me about NQ, bro. The back and forth BS. Cause we in discount, so it's like this one. Here for a nice dry. Do have my stop loss. Like I said, it's a 58. Having everything in place. Place my stop loss real quick. Whatever happens, happens. Might hit it, but it's okay. I prefer for it to hit it than anything. So I did get in here. I did get into a position for NQ after to see if we could go ahead and run after these buys. I mean, these buys out here. But she clipped us out. I'm saying this is what I like about the fact that we are using stop loss. But like we're using it right, you know what I'm saying? We're not over leveraging, bro. That was one of my issues. So risk management is key. It is key, bro. So that's what we're gonna be focusing rather than trying to jump the gun. Pew pew. Alright, so we did have a displacement. I mean, not displacement, but aggression. Oops. An aggressive candle currently happening right now with NQ. Look how we are right now, currently trading below this 5-minute inversion. Now rejecting it. She's insane, bro. Está loca. NQ, tú estás demasiado loca, güey. You gotta take a chill pill, man. A chill pill. Currently, right now, we have this 5-minute. We're currently for gold. In the meantime, we're gonna let Shorty here decide. Yeah, and keep it on her BS lately, man. Like I said, I did take a long on the retracement of this candle after this 1-minute inversion in a 5-minute, and they job us through, and you guys can see the next candle what happened. So let's see. Add another 5-minute in here. Let's see, man. Market's been crazy lately, y'all. Facts, yo. I'm killing it down a little bit with the coffee. So today we did a little sport portion. Usually it'd be like this much, but this time we did like this much. So like you can say half. Wrong home. Demasiado loca está la tigra, bro. Oh, mi loony. Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la la. Look at that. 30 seconds. You might close below it. Oh la la. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on it. Look, he is already below it. So. Oh, I'm gonna take this off. And then we're gonna put NQ here because she's I don't know, bro. She's having her moments. Her moment. Yeah, a whole moment. Looking to see if she do go lower. There's an area in here. So I don't really see anything else right now. $1 right now. Wait, NQ right now. If you want to be honest. Yeah, you want to mess around with her right now. You gonna let her be. Going lower. Would it be an ideal? Maybe not. Be like low resist. It's not low resistant. So yes, I mean, you're gonna leave her alone. Got like 2 more minutes of this candle. I ain't gonna leave it alone. Who knows? Dum, 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 dum. I ain't gonna lie, I need to get one of these chairs that expand back. So I could just do one of them powerful stretches, cause you go through those stretches a lot in trading. The look of it, the 5 minutes gonna close below it. So I might take that off in a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna close that out right there. I mean, remove that. Not really much for gold right now. Interest. Thank you. Still moving lower. Dun, 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 dun. Jumping on this 5. We'll put it to this 5 here. Can go. Stretching. That's a calm range. Get back into this then. Let's get $90. Most of my tickers out here. Oh, that's not it. Dun, dun. push higher. Don't move this. Move this because now it's reacting off of 5. Wicked. 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 You know. You know. But the markets are wicked, bro. Wicked, like. Wicked. Very close to touch it. Gotta be paying too much. She can easily just want to go lower. Lord, I'm not a big fan of it. This is from a 5-minute too at the top. Area here. Starting on 2-minute. Still pushing higher now with these guys. Does it look like now she wants to go ahead for these buy side? And sure do. Back at it. It's so cold in my room. Back at it over the 1 hour. Back and forth, man. Okay. Not really much happening. Don't. Wait, yes, wait, and keep moving, bro. Doesn't even look right. She been wanting to take that out, and then she would have done so. I mean, she can though. I'm not saying that she won't take these buy side out. Not really much taking really place. Not really much. Really place. Nice and virgin here, trading above it. Like 6 more minutes to them by the end of the micro tool. You know. No. You like to go low, madam? See, like I said, she looks like she still wants to push into it, to these highs. You're jumping up this 1034 candle and above the hourly. She gonna do it, she gonna do it. Still in discount for gold and premium for NQxES. So more minutes to micros and see what happens. Came back all the way down to 2 minutes too. I'm about to go into the micros right now, and being close to taking out a low. We just missed it. Just by a little. Basically filled it though. Extravaganza. up with this long right here with gold. She do want to place higher. She will do so. Basically, it's full, bro. We don't want to be honest with you. Take one off here. And wants to get up there. I think that's two there. Or not. Today she's just not playing no games. No games. After this, I'm shutting down everything depending what she does from here. Close everything out. Yeah, not liking it. She could turn me wrong too, so let's see, bro. Well, as much as he wants to go up, but let's see, bro. Back and forth. G. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? You're already deep in premium too. Yeah. For right now, what I see is that might continue a bit a little higher for ES NQ before anything. So that's about it for us today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. GG day, 480 for the down for the day. It is what it is. Not even mad about it. I'm just trying to let go of NQ because lady, the way she been acting is just very, 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 very crazy, very hectic. You know, I'm gonna be strictly honest. A lot of back and forth, a lot. Yeah, the spread took us out. Here's the total. There we go. So it's looking like, what is it? Yeah, basically what we made, we lost for the week. Basically, and a little bit more, basically, because it was at 85, 83 actually. Now we have 51, 51, 51. But this is the process, man. El proceso. Looking at these, making sure, I want to see if these is gonna get taken out before I even log out. See that whole back and forth movement. That's the thing that we're gonna have to be dealing with. And having see how she went back. She took, which is not bad, bro. It took like 15 minutes before coming back up, and then expanded higher. So I'm looking to see if that if this buy side gets taken out, which she will. Yes, it's already close to it. For this area, I'll mark it up right now. Why not? 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 I'm right there. Alright, so that means ES already, yep, there she goes. So ES already ran that buy sign. Yep, there she goes. Yeah, so tomorrow we're definitely not trading. Basically done for the week, I'm gonna be honest. Because we have Wednesday, we have NFP, Thursday is in the middle. So we're gonna let that day go, and then Friday NFP. And we're gonna let that go. We're gonna let it go. Let it go. Yeah, after we were seeing you want to go lower, but we just wasn't waiting for it. It's all right. Something with this one right here. After that displacement. At the same time, I'm not. Came all the way up there. And then what? Maybe we have an inversion in here too. And then came one more time down there, still nothing. Market wild, bro. We don't do it. It could break even, so. It's not. I guess not. What type of games that we got going on today? Man. Too much games. Too much games. Try to see if we wanted to run higher. After this inversion here. Look like we might get stopped out too here. It's tough. Oh man. Shorty is tough. Down candle, we got 2. She's struggling, bro. That's all I gotta say. GG. Big loss today. It is what it is. I'm gonna get out of here before I go ahead and continue pushing buttons. So I got the message of the day today. It says, if you have, oh wow. Alright, so this was funny. I'm gonna go ahead and relate to this one today. It says, if you have needy money in your vibration, then you will keep attracting needy money. You have to find a way of being happy now, feeling good now, and being enjoying now without the money, because those great things are how you will feel with the money. Money doesn't bring happiness, but happiness brings money. That's cold. That is some cold. So we'll go ahead and leave today, because if not, I'm gonna end up pushing more buttons. Alright, so as always, appreciate you guys. Have a great one. We have so much we gotta like consume this weekend actually, because we've done for the week. Yeah, we gotta figure it out. But as always, 5 P's: proper preparation, improved performance. And like my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. Apply that to anything you guys do each and every single day, because I'm surely trying to do that every single day, and fight the demons. But as always, I'm gonna holler at you guys. Stay safe. Peace.